Hey guys, for today's video, I'll show you how to host websites on Ionos. First, go to the Ionos website and on the top ribbon, click on Hosting. Then select Web Hosting. From here, you'll choose a hosting plan. Just pick the one that best fits your needs and proceed. Next, you'll be asked to set up a domain. Type in your preferred domain name to check if it's available. Once that's done, you'll be taken to your Ionos dashboard. Click on Hosting and under the Web Space section, select Use Web Space. Now, click the Upload button in the upper left corner. Then, choose your website files to upload. After the upload is complete, you can move on to editing your website. Go back to the dashboard, then click on Websites and Shops. From here, select your site and click Edit Website to begin customizing. And that's it. You've successfully hosted your website on Ionos and you're ready to make it your own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.